Hi folks, welcome back to Math with Captain Rod. The purpose of this video is to demonstrate how to handle an integral, an improper type of integral. So as we look at this, we're going to try to evaluate 2e to the minus x sine x dx from 0 to infinity. And the first thing we want to realize here is this infinity in the limit makes this an improper integral. So the handling of the improper integral is no problem. We're just going to write this then integral 0 to b 2e to the minus x sine x dx, and then just take limit as b goes to infinity in front of it. Now right away here, so that I don't have to keep writing this over and over and over and over, I'm going to go ahead and define an operator here. I'm going to call it my star operator, defined as this. So now we're going to take a look at this guy here. So what we're going to do here is we're going to try to evaluate star of 2 integral 0 to b e to the minus x sine x dx, and again where the star operator means limit as b goes to infinity. Now as we look at the integral here, we have an exponential function and a trigonometric function combined. That's the clue that integration by parts is going to be probably a good way to handle this. So whenever I deal with parts, I always write out the little acronym LI8. If you've had me for calculus, you know what this means. Logarithmic, inverse trig, algebraic, trigonometric, exponential. This is a good method for choosing the u's for integration by parts. So we look here for a logarithmic function. Nope. Inverse trig. Nope. Algebraic. Nope. Trigonometric. Yes. So our u, we're going to want to equal sine x. And then dv is now e to the minus x dx. Then we calculate du, which is going to be cosine x, and v, which is going to be minus e to the minus x. So now what we're going to have is limit as b goes to infinity. That's what that star operator means. 2 times. All right, so this integral is going to equal this product, minus e to the minus x sine x, evaluated 0 to b, minus the integral of this product. Now, let's see, cosine e to the minus x, whoops, going back here, this du should have had a dx on it right there, by the way. Du equals cosine x dx. Got a dx there, and let me just check the minus signs here. It's minus from the integration of parts formula. However, this product also is negative. That's going to make that plus. All right. So now, let's see. Let's take a look at this part right here for a moment. E to the minus b is 1 over e to the b. And don't forget there's that star operator in front of it, which means limit as b goes to infinity. When we take limit of as b goes to infinity of this expression, we get a 0 out of it. So the top limit is 0. The bottom limit, when we put sine of 0, that's also 0. So this thing evaluates out to 0. So I'm going to put now star operator times 2 integral 0 to b of cosine x e to the minus x dx, and I see that I missed my little x there in the integral. Now we'll just start working on this, because this part has evaluated out to 0. Looks like integration by parts again. So I'm going to need some room here. Oops. All right. So now we're working on this animal. And again, by application of integration by parts, LI8, logarithmic no, inverse trig no, algebraic no, trigonometric yes. So we're going to want to let u equal cosine x, Whatever's left is the dv. That's going to be e to the minus x dx. du is going to equal minus sine x dx. And then v is going to equal minus e to the minus x. Therefore, this integral is going to equal 2 times this product, cosine x e to the minus x with a minus sign in front of it, evaluated from 0 to b, minus the integral 0 to b of this product. Now, plus and minus signs. Minus, minus, and a minus from the integration by parts formula. That gives 3 minuses, so this is going to, in fact, end up negative. Then we're going to end up with an e to the minus x sine x dx. Now, remember, this is the original integral, which is identical to this. So what I'm going to do is write another line. Twice original integral equals this thing. And don't forget, we still have the star operator in front of this. And I'm going to take this minus sign, absorb it in the limits. So that's going to be cosine of 0 e to the 0 minus cosine of b e to the minus b. Now, the star operator, remember, is limit as b goes to infinity. As b goes to infinity, 1 over b goes to 0. So this entire term goes to 0. Cosine of 0 is 1. E to the 0 is also 1. So twice the original integral is going to equal 2 times 1. So the original integral looks like is equal to 1. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and stop this now. Hope this integral, or I hope this helps demonstrate these concepts. Have a great day.